Shayla here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a nice summery mango strawberry salsa. So we're fairly light on the tools today. Just need a knife, a cutting board, something to put the salsa in, and if you're using limes, if you're squeezing some limes, you need a lime juicer. So our ingredients are 1 mango. We're going to need about 3 tablespoons of lime juice, so I've got some limes here, some cilantro, and 2 tablespoons of red onion, and some strawberries. So we're going to start with cutting the mango. So how we want to do that is we want to stand it upright like this and bring it over to get a closer look at the chopping action. So we're going to start with having it upright like this, and we're going to take our knife and don't do it straight down the middle, just a little bit over, and do that to the other side as well. Great, then we're just going to score it. And now we've got our little mango pieces, and we're just going to pull those out of the skin and put them right in the bowl. So then once we're done with that, you can cut around the pit here. Okay, so now we've got our mango in the bowl. So now let's pick out some strawberries. You need like about 3 or 4 good sized strawberries. And we're just gonna take the tops off and chop them up. Once they're in small enough pieces, we can add them to the bowl. So next up is going to be the red onion. I have a little bit left over from some other things that I've been using the red onion for. So we're just going to chop some of this up. We only need 2 tablespoons of this, so it's not going to be the entire thing. So let's get on it. And there you go. Looking pretty good so far. So now I'm going to cut up some cilantro. We're going to need 3 tablespoons of that. So lastly, we're going to do the lime juice. That's going to be 3 tablespoons as well. So I'm just going to squeeze them and see. Hopefully we have 3 tablespoons worth in these limes. So let's see what happens. And there we go. So now we've got everything in there. So now we're just gonna mix it up a bit. Smells awesome. Look at that. And I can leave this in the fridge for a little bit to kind of let all the flavors marinate, but I'm hungry, so I'm just gonna go for it. All right, let's give this a shot. So one thing that the salsa is really good on is like a Mexican salad. So what I do is I put in a whole bunch of greens, whatever greens I have on hand. I have some chicken fajita or like fajita seasoned chicken. You can also do, beef is also really good with this. Put a little bit of jalapeno ranch on there. And a little scoop of plain Greek yogurt. This is really good. This is a good replacement for sour cream, if you like sour cream. So I just put a little dollop on that. Some avocado, if you have it, is also really good. I don't have it right now, unfortunately, but that's also really good. A little bit of cheese. And finally, a couple scoops of this. Yep. Yummy stuff. This is my lunch. This is my lunch right here. And so that's about it for mango salsa. So I hope that this is fun and yours turns out as yummy as mine did. So I hope that this is helpful and fun. And there's going to be a recipe card on our website and in the description below. So you can comment or email or text the library if you have any questions. And yeah, have a good day, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.